Hey everyone, welcome back to Drill Coding. This is part 2 of our Core Java series, and in this video we are going to understand JDK, JRE and JVM. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Before we understand JDK, JRE and JVM individually, let's first understand why they even exist in Java. Java follows a very powerful principle: write once, run anywhere. That means we write the program once and the same program can run on Windows, Linux or Mac without changing the code. But the important part is our Java code does not run directly on the operating system. Instead, it goes through a proper execution pipeline. So Java needs separate tools. One tool for writing and compiling programs and another environment for running those programs safely on any system. That's why we have JDK for development, JRE for runtime execution and JVM as the virtual machine that actually runs the bytecode. I hope now you understand why do we need JDK, JRE and JVM. So let's start with the JDK because this is what every Java developer works on a daily basis. So JDK is like a complete toolbox for Java development. Whenever we write Java code, that code is just plain text. The computer cannot understand it directly. So we need tools that can compile, test, debug and run that program. All those tools, the compiler, debugger, documentation tool, everything comes inside the JDK. And the best part is that the JDK also contains the JRE, which means it not only helps us develop programs but also allows us to run them. So remember, if you are learning Java or if you are building projects or working as a developer, you must have the JDK installed in your system, because without it you simply cannot develop Java applications. Now let's talk about the JRE, which is Java Runtime Environment. If the JDK is for development, then JRE is mainly for execution. Imagine if you already have a Java application, maybe a desktop tool, a small utility or a jar file, and you just want to run it on your computer. In that case, you don't need development tools or a compiler. You only need an environment where that program can execute, and that environment is provided by the JRE. JRE contains the JVM plus all the core libraries that a program needs at runtime. It's like a supportive layer that sits between your program and the operating system. And one more important point, JRE cannot compile or write code and it cannot be used for development. It's only meant for running existing Java applications. And finally, most important part, the JVM or Java Virtual Machine. JVM is like a heart and brain of Java. The JVM is the component that actually executes your program. It takes the bytecode and that .class file generated by the compiler, loads into memory, verifies it for safety and then executes it line by line. So inside the JVM, memory is managed very intelligently. Objects are stored in the heap, methods can go into the stack, and unused objects are automatically cleaned up by the garbage collector. But the real magic of JVM is that every operating system has its own JVM implementation. And because of that, the same Java program can run on Windows, Linux or Mac without even changing a single line of code. Now take a look at this diagram. This is JDK and it inside contains JRE, which inside contains JVM. In short, the JVM executes the code, the JRE provides library support to run it, and the JDK gives you everything you need to create it from scratch. I hope now you are clear about JDK, JRE and JVM. So that's all about today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep coding.